Are you ready to take your artistry to the next level? This June, join us for the Rockit Singer and Songwriters Retreat, an immersive experience designed to elevate your voice, your songwriting, and your career. Find creative space for yourself and your music at our unique retreat venue, set on hundreds of acres in the Purcell Mountains in British Columbia, Canada. Take time to enjoy songwriting with new friends, develop your craft with mentored songwriting sessions, vocal technique and performance workshops, along with opportunities to share and showcase your new work. You'll also be able to record demos of your new songs at our in-house Song Lab. Before we head to the mountains of Invermere, British Columbia, you'll kick things off inside our virtual artist lounge, a week of online masterclasses led by world-class coaches, including Mindy Pack, who will help you unlock the methods used by today's biggest voices. Clayton Bellamy, a Juno Award-winning songwriter who will be teaching you the craft of authentic storytelling. Jess Moskaluk, the multi-award-winning performer, will be revealing what it takes to build a touring career. Dan Davidson, the platinum-selling artist, will be sharing the secrets of indie artist success. While there's lots to learn, there's also tons to enjoy, including space, mountains, fresh air, and new friendships, and possibly even a little bit of line dancing. This isn't just a retreat, it's where your next chapter begins and your career evolves. Apply now at rockitvocalstudios.com/retreat.